Hello students, let's continue with exercise 3.2, chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Firstly, let us recall the result of the activity which we have performed yesterday, that is the sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. The second result which we will use in this exercise is for a regular polygon of n sides. What is the regular polygon? Yes, which is both equilateral and equiangular. So for that we have number 1, each exterior angle that is equals to 360 upon n degree, and second result is that each interior angle is equals to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. Now see in question number 1 that if we extend any one side of a triangle, then the angle so formed outside it is called its exterior angle. And you can see that exterior angle and interior angle both are forming a linear pair. That means the sum of these two angles must be equals to 180 degrees. So always remember that. Whenever you are forming an exterior angle of a polygon, then it must be forming a straight line with its interior angle. Now, question number 1 we will start that find x in the following figure. Here you have given the exterior angle of the triangle. One is 125 degree, other is 125 degree, third is x degree. So as we know, the sum of measures of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So therefore the sum of these three angles must be equals to 360 degree. So let us use the result using exterior angle property of a polygon. (125 degree plus 125 degree plus x should be equals to 360 degree. 250 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. So x will be equals to 360 degree minus 250 degree, that is equals to 110 degrees. So the value of unknown x would be 110 degree. Now question number 2, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. So here, now let us start with its solution. As we know that each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon n. Now here n is what? 15, that is number of sides is 15. So each exterior angle would be equals to 360 degree upon 15. So this is equals to, firstly both will be divisible by 3, then 5, so 24. So each exterior angle is equals to 24. This is our answer. This is our answer. Question number 3 now. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Now here we have given the interior angle, but we are having formula for exterior angle only. So we have to find the exterior angle first. As we know that exterior angle plus interior angle, they are forming linear pairs, so their sum would be 180 degree. Now exterior angle plus 165 degree will be equals to 180 degree. So exterior angle would be equals to 180 degree minus 165 degree. This is equals to 15 degree. Now what we need to find here? The number of sides. So number of sides is equals to 360 degree upon measure of exterior angle so it is equals to 360 degree upon 15 degree. Now let us divide it. So therefore number of sides of a regular polygon having each interior angle 165 degree is 24. So this is the required answer.